All right, we're going to start out with our calendar again. What month are we in? Right, August. So easy, right? Same as the last few weeks. And what year are we? We're in 2020. All right, we have to figure out today's date tag. So let's say our pattern to figure it out. Ready? Square, triangle, triangle, circle. 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 Square, triangle. What comes here? Right, a triangle. All right, I'm going to pull a triangle over, and now I need help figuring out what number comes after 26. If you said 27, good job. You're doing great with your numbers. Now, 20. 20 starts with what number? It's a 2, right? Whenever we hear 20, that number starts with a 2. All right, let's say our date all together. Ready? We're going to start with our month. Today is August 27th, 2020. All right, now we're going to write it. I'm going to start with a capital letter because August is the name of the month. A-U-G-U-S-T. Then what do I need right here? Oh, I hope you said a finger space. And then I need the number on the date tag, which is 27. And then I need a comma. And then what do I need right here? Another finger space. And then what am I going to write? 2020, because that's the year. Very nice. Let's say it all together. Today's date is August 27th, 2020. All right, let's figure out the day of the week. To do that, we have to find today's date tag and go straight up. What is today's day of the week? If you said Thursday, good job. You're so very smart. All right, let's start with a capital T because it's the name of the day of the week. H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. So today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. All right, so here's Thursday. If I go back one, that's going to help me know what yesterday was. What was yesterday? Wednesday. All right, let me go back to today. If I move forward one, what's tomorrow? It's Friday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. How many days of the week are there? 7. All right, let's sing months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months of the year are there? There are 12. Good job. And what month is August? If you remembered and said 8, nice job remembering. Now we're going to count to our big number 100. All right, you can dance, you can do whatever you'd like to get your wiggles out while we count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yeehaw! Good job. All right, my question is, if a number says teen in it, what number does it start with? So like 15, 16, 17. What number do those teen numbers start with? They start with a 1. Yes, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 all start with a 1. So do these two numbers. What's this one called? 11. And what about this? 12. 11 and 12 also start with a 1. How many days were we in school yesterday? 28. Good. All right, let's figure out how many days we're in school today. In order to do that, I am going to take a linking cube and I have to add it somewhere. Should I add it to either of the towers of 10? No, I need to add it to the extras. Whoops. All right. When I do that, do I still just have 2 towers of 10? Yes, I only have 2 towers of 10, so I'm going to leave this as a 2. Let's count and see how many extras we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm going to erase this 8. And I'm going to write a 9. How many days are we in school now? 29 days.